Hello, how is everyone doing? Got a little something over here. Says here, disgraced Chinese scientist He Jiankui, who was jailed in 2019 for genetically editing human babies, is back in the lab and claims he's proud of his past work. This dude is a regular Orochimaru over here. God damn. Uh, duh, duh, duh. All right. Oops. Let's move this. There we go. All right. It says here, Grace, as revealed, he's returned to genetic research. Jianku, was sentenced to 3 years, only 3 years, for human experimentation on babies in prison in 2019 after he announced he had created the first genome edited babies. The first. Okay. Now, only 2 years out of prison, Dr. He has revealed he has opened 3 new labs to continue genetic experiments on human embryos. So, was it a crime or not? What do you get, 3 years for not doing it right? He's like, I've perfected the process now. Now, only 2 years out of prison. Oh, shit. He was sentenced to 3 years and he got out after 2 years. Uh, Dr. He has revealed he has opened 3 new labs. Oh, wait. I'm doing the math wrong. Okay, he was sentenced 3 years in 2019, and that will put him in 2022, and now he's 2 years out. Okay, got it. Has revealed he's opened 3 new labs to continue genetic experiments on human embryos. Doctor, where's he getting the money for this? Who's sponsoring this guy? That hair is crazy. uh, Newspaper, that he has no intentions of creating any more genome edited children. Okay, so what is he doing in the lab? I mean, you should stick to your expertise, man. Like, we need these mutant babies. Uh, Despite his arrest, he maintained he's proud of his past work, claiming society will eventually accept it. I mean, he's not wrong. He's not wrong. Uh, uh, Doctor, he says that he intends to develop gene editing techniques for the treatment of rare diseases such as Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and familial Alzheimer's disease. All right. You got to start with the babies, though. Despite his arrest and fierce criticism from the scientific community, he, hold on, he opened 3 new research labs in Beijing and Wuhan. Oh, no. Oh, no. That can't end well. That sounds panda. This follows an earlier attempt to restart his research in Hong Kong, during which Dr. He said he had obtained a visa under the island's new talent scheme. However, Dr. Hong, Jesus, however, Hong Kong authorities revoked his visa less than a day after his announcement, claiming that Dr. He had made false statements during his applications. Genetic editing of human embryos has been outlawed in China since 2003, but the procedure is permitted for purely non-reproductive purposes. Dr. He insists that his work will fit within the constraints of Chinese law and that he will no longer pursue any attempt to produce live gene editing human children. Man, we need these super babies now. We will use discarded human embryos, the discarded. Listen, listen, man. All these goddamn abortions are good business and comply with both the domestic and international rules. In November 2018, Dr. He sent shockwaves to the scientific community when he announced he had produced. Hold on. It just occurred to me. Is that why freaking abortion is such a big thing? Because it provides more genetic material for experiments, and especially if you create laws that saying these uh, embryos aren't children or aren't alive, or you know what I mean, you can do a lot of stuff. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dr. He told an international genetics conference in Hong Kong that he had modified the genes of twin girls nicknamed Lulu and Nana, in order to make them HIV resistant. Cool, bruh. What are you going to do with these girls that you need them to be resistant to HIV? Using gene editing techniques called crispy Cas. He rewrote sections of the embryo's DNA with the goal of preventing the virus from being passed on. Okay, so they will still get it. They just won't give it to people. He later revealed that a third gene edited girl had also been born out of these experiments. Following his announcement, Dr. He is promptly arrested and tried by Chinese authority for illegally carrying a according to Dr. He, the twin girls are now age 5 and both are attending kindergarten. Dr. He, along with two of his colleagues who were also sentenced, faced fierce ethical criticism for his experiments. Yep. Oh, look at him. He had a full head of anyways, it was alleged that he needlessly went ahead with a risky, unnecessary treatment without adequate. Yeah. I get it. It was illegal. That his research is too hasty. He always maintained that his work is for the benefit of society. He says the result of analyzing the children's entire gene sequence showed that there were no modifications to the genes other than for the medical objective, providing evidence that genome editing was safe. All right. Oh, well, gotta do what you gotta do, right? Anyways, until next time.